Emperor Jahangir, known for his fondness of nature and hunting, built a game reserve in a scrub forest that allowed Mughal royalty to experience a sense of semi-wilderness. The emperor had a special antelope trained to lure wild animals to the pond. It was called Mansiraj, light of the mind. After its death, Mansiraj was buried at the game reserve. Following the ancient Persian custom, the emperor built a tower over the grave in memory of his pet antelope. Minar, or the Antelope Tower, is a complex constructed in the early 17th century. The site is 40 minutes drive on Lahore-Islamabad motorway and 5 minutes off the Sheikhupura interchange. Built in 1606, the memorial tower stands 30 meters high. Constructed in brick, it is round and tapers towards the top. 10 meters wide at its base, it has an arched opening for the entrance that leads to a spiral staircase of 108 steps. The entire interior and exterior has lime plaster and is believed to have floral or lineal fresco paintings on them. The surface of the lowest tier has been divided into decorative panels in high relief that were inscribed with an eulogy to the pet antelope. Around the perimeter are 11 ascending rectangular and arched openings for air and light, and 214 holes that are believed to have been used as supports for the severed heads of animal trophies taken by the emperor. Next to Meenar, to the east, is a rectangular pond that was once built in the forest to attract animals. At its center is an octagonal platform with low parapet walls. And a pavilion that was used as a royal retreat by the emperor, and is known as Shah Jahani Baradari. The main gateway to the Baradari is a rectangular vestibule with a pointed arch flanked by 4 similar smaller openings and is connected with Baradari through a causeway. This causeway stands on 21 pointed arched pillars and has a square-shaped projected platform in the middle. The pavilion has 2 floors and is topped by a rooftop chhatri that serves as a stone gazebo. The interior shows traces of fresco in polychrome, with motifs depicting foliage and floral forms. The upper floor of the pavilion was designed to provide the view of the site from the middle of the water tank, surrounded by the forest and the tower on one side. Made of lime mortar and plaster, this building is another example of Mughal engineering and its aesthetics. Four small pavilions mark the corners of the pond, with pyramidal roofs, and are open from all sides. Another uniqueness of the complex is its water collection system at every corner. Unfortunately, only one exists today. The complex today is a popular spot for visitors. Archaeology Department of Punjab has worked extensively on the restoration and conservation of a 400 years old building. Along with adding features to modernize the site. This has not only preserved the site for future generations, but has also seen a remarkable turnover in the number of visitors every year.